Honor. I just want to let the jury know.
Objection.
Mr. Flores, that is completely inappropriate.
For the very first time, the jury hears from the man they say is convicted of killing a Tampa doctor and his wife. And he's nearly thrown out of court for what he says before testimony even began. And once it did, well, things got very emotional. Fox 13's Aaron Mesmer saw it all unfold today. Aaron, one of those jurors was even moved to tears.
And Denise, that happened when the couple's loved ones spoke publicly for the first time since the 2012 murders. This all added up to a compelling day inside the courtroom.
Moments after the last juror entered, Julian Ospina Flores shocked the courtroom, breaking the silence.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I just want to let the jury know.
Objection.
Attorneys tried to quiet Ospina Flores, then he stared right into our camera and questioned the guilty verdict.
And I don't understand why
The jury out,
the law,
please.
the people in the state
All right.
let the innocent people go to prison. And the criminal
Mr.
just
Trina,
go in and
Mr.
out of
Trina.
jail with no problem. Like this is a resort for them. Just saying they are insane and go home. And the innocent people go to prison. I am not agree with that.
The judge threatened to kick him out.
Mr. Flores, that is completely inappropriate. You will not address this jury. Do you understand me?
With the jury reseated, family and friends of Dr. Hector and Deborah Rivera testified about what their loss has meant.
The first holiday season without them was the hardest. But every year since, it doesn't seem to get any easier.
They were not only amazing parents, but amazing people.
The Rivera's son, also named Hector, broke down on the stand.
He was my dad, my supporter, my mentor, my best man at my wedding, and my best friend. I miss him every single day.
He was with his parents the night before their murders in January 2012. That's when investigators say Ospina Flores, who was the couple's driver, killed them in cold blood.
This world is missing two amazing human beings. Those two amazing beings were my mom and dad.
With those words hanging in the air, the defense called its first witness, the mother of the now convicted murderer. She couldn't hold back tears as she described her son.
Un padre ejemplar
An exemplary father
y muy excelente hijo.
and a very excellent son.
The defense has attempted to portray the defendant as having a rough childhood. Testimony is going to continue tomorrow. Prosecutors are seeking the death penalty. He faces a minimum of life in prison without parole. Live in the control room, Aaron Mesmer, Fox 13 News.